4, 3, 2, 1, go. 40. 4 right into 4 left. 40. 5 right past junction into 6 left, into 6 right over crest. 40. Small crest, stay mid. 40. 6 left into 6 right plus. 80. 6 left, 60. 5 left, half long, 40. 4 left. 4 left here, into 3 right. 40 down. 5 right into 3 left. Into 5 right slowing, into 1 left long. Into 1 right tight. Into 2 left. Into 6 right. Into 5 left. 80, slippy, turn hairpin right tight. Into 3 left. 3 left half long, slippy continues. And 5 right, 80. 5 right long tightens into 4 right plus. Into 4 left, 40 care. Keep left over small crest into turn 2 right sudden. Small crest, sudden turn 2 right, 100. 5 right plus long, 40. 5 right plus over small crest, 40. 3 right opens long, 40. 5 left continues for 80, slowing into 2 left tight, don't cut. 5 continues for 80 into 2 left tight, don't cut, 170. 4 right tightens into 3 right half long, tight. 40. 6 left. 100. 6 right over junction, slippy. 300 up mid. Keep left into 5 right. And 5 left tightens long past junction. Into 5 right slippy, 40 down. 4 left long slippy. Down into 3 left, don't cut. 60 slowing into 1 left half long. 40. Keep right into 4 left. 200. Small crest bump stay mid. And small crest bump stay mid again. 300 down. 6 left plus into small crest, stay mid, enter dip 130, 5 right over dip at Lone Tree, and 6 left over flat crest 100, small crest into 6 right, 40, small crest stay mid again, into 5 right tightens into a 4 right. Into a 4 right, 130, 5 right plus, 40, 5 right tightens long, into 5 left slowing, turn hairpin right, 80, oh yeah, 80 up here now, flat crest long, 5 left, 130 now over here, 3 left long, 3 left plus long, 170, 170 up mid, 6 right slowing into hairpin left. 6 right slowing into hairpin left. Here, 80 up mid. Oh fucking hell, yes. Keep left over small crest. 40. 3 right plus long opens, rough inside.
3 right,
yeah? Yeah, opens, 80. 4 left. And 6 right. Into 6 left, into 6 right again, and 5 left plus long, 60, 5 right plus again, 100, 5 right plus long again, 80, 6 right plus long, 100, 5 left plus over crest past junction, 40, 4 right rough inside, 4 right rough inside.
Come on!
Oh my fucking fair play.
Sorry, mate.
6 left 100. Up mid. 5 left here, I'm sure it is.
Yeah.
350 up mid. 350 up mid, go on boy.
Yeah.
Keep it tidy.
That was...
Okay, crest,
right.
stay mid.
Yeah.
6 right into crest, keep left of mid. 40 past junction, 5 right plus, 130 down mid. 4 right, 130 down mid again. 4 left, over crest, slippy. 130.
What's this coming up?
This is a 4 left over crest, slippy, 130 down. Into 4 right. Into 4 right here, into 6 left long slowing, 40 care into 1 left. 6 left long, 40 care, 1 left. 100. 6 right plus and stay mid over junction, 60. 6 right plus long, 130. 5 left, 80.
Yeah.
6 right tightens into a 5 right, 130. 6 into a 5 here, 130. 6 left long, 40.
Yeah.
6 left plus, 150. 6 right plus continues for 200. 130.
Yeah.
6 right plus again. 60. 6 left. 6 right slowing into 5 left. 60 slowing into turn 2 left slippy past fire brake. 100. Flat crest stay mid, 130. 6 right, 80. Keep right into small crest and turn 4 right plus, 80. 6 left long into 5 left long. 60. 6 into a 5, both long. 60. 4 right slowing, 40, turn hairpin left, very tight. This is nice and neat. 250 out of him. Yes, okay, yeah, okay. 250 up here now. Stay mid over bump crossroads into 5 left, don't cut. 200. Crest long, flat, stay mid, 60 down. Into 5 left plus long. And 6 right opens over flat crest. 100. 6 right plus, 200. 6 left. Into crest bump, stay mid, then into 5 left plus, don't cut. 150, 5 left long slippy and 6 right over small crest, into 6 left slowing, then into 2 right long. 2 right long, 40. 3 left slippy, into 6 left tightens, into a 5 left long. 6 into a 5 left long over flat crest, 200. 6 right plus, 170. 6 right long slowing, care, down into 2 right opens, continues for 100. Remember he's off camber, goes on, doesn't he? 170. 170 down, just dips here. Okay, 170 down into chicane. Nice and neat, good drive out of it. Yes, Powley. 80 up, 6 right plus long, 300 up mid. 6 left at junction, through logs, 100. Into caution, 4 left, tightens, stay neat, continues for 80. Tightens into a 2 left. So he's a 4, continues for 80, tightens into a 2. 40 up mid, 5 left, continues for 130. 5 left, continues for 130. 100. 6 left plus, 60. 6 left, continues for 150. 6 right plus, 200 down mid. Into double caution, hairpin right. So 6 right. 6 left into loose. This is the 6 right, 200 down into caution, double caution, hairpin right. Sorry, Powell.
Sorry, sorry.
Here we go. Double caution, hairpin right.
Oh, fucking hell, that makes it very good then, to be honest.
3 left long and 6 right. Into caution, 3 right tight. Into square right. Into 6 left. And 4 right, 80. 5 left, slippy, 170.
Yeah, 170.
Yeah, 170. 5 right long, 150. 6 right over small crest. 80. Caution 4 left, 1 right. 80 down. Caution 4 left, 1 right. 130, care ahead. Yes, boy. 130 down. 5 left into 1 right narrows.
5 left into 1 right again.
Yes. 150.
Fucking Ross.
Small crest. Then 6 left into 6 right continues for 130.
Yeah.
40.
Yeah.
4 left. Stay middle of a junction. 250.
Oh, yeah.
250 up.
Oh,
Get
fuck
there, boy. Hold on to it. Fucking come on. 6 right plus up path. 350 up. Caution 4 left tightens past junction.
Yeah.
Into 1 left long, very tight.
4 left.
So 4 left tightens into a 1 left long, very tight at the end, it says. 60. Oh, you are unbelievable. Fucking get on. 60 up now. Small crest long into 3 right plus long. 130. 3 right plus long here. 130. Then into turn square right half long. 130 out of it. Oh yes. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, 3 left plus long. 100. 6 left and 5 right. 150. Small crest, stay mid. 60 down into 4 right. 130 slowing.
Same, huh? Fucking hell.
4 right here. 130 slowing. Then into turn square right around Bales. Okay, 5 right up now. 250, care ahead. Crest, stay mid. Into 2 left plus. Crest, stay mid into 2 left plus. 450 down now across the finish. Keep him pinned. Into 4 right slowing, 40. 3 left to stop.
Oh my fucking lord.
That was fucking incredible.
I'm glad I put the fucking camera on.
Yeah, oh my god.
I